This is Jeremy Serrato with Advent Age Missions. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're doing today. We are working on, it's May 12, 2021. And we're working on our French drain system right now. We're getting ready to have camp meeting this fall. And so we are working diligently to get this done. There's the pipe. This is Jeremy Doro. He's cutting some of our materials here. There you go. There we go. There it is right now. Let's see a little bit of that. That's the system right now that we have going on. Oh, that's a lot of fun. All right. I'm gonna try to show a few. I'm gonna try to show a few clips of what we're doing every day, just so you guys can stay in line with what we're doing here. Keep us in prayer. We're gonna be trying to get this going by sometime September, sometime for the fall. All right, take care. God bless.